So the grind don't stop, according to CICELY. ATC on top, according to CICELY. Gotta drop some.
What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be my $200 monthly grocery haul. It's not our regular groceries, but just junk food. This video is part of a collab. It's hosted by Small Town 6 and myrose.nature. So make sure you watch my video and check the link down in my description box so you can see the collaboration playlist, and go ahead and support all of the ladies. Get you some, new foods and new grocery motivation so you can get some new things for your family. For all those that are new, hello and welcome. I'm CICELY. I'm a disabled mom to 2 young boys by way of sickle cell anemia, and I enjoy posting vlogs, decorating videos, organization, and some cook with me's. And I figured that if I could get through life and show you that anything is possible, even through hospitalizations and frequent pain crises, you can get through whatever life throws your way. You can do it, and we can do it together. So go ahead and subscribe and join the fam, because we love to have you. All right, y'all, let's go downstairs to the dining room and get into this haul. Remember, it's just junk food. All right, y'all, let's do a quick haul. We ran to Walmart. So my boyfriend likes these sausages, so I'm going to get up and make breakfast tomorrow. And then this is my favorite sausage. They normally have it in a box, but I didn't see the box, so I just got them. These both, I think, were $3.98. This is Caden's favorite, the chimichangas. I think I want to try putting those in the air fryer to see if I can get the crust to get really crispy. That would be nice. And then I'm going to use these in a recipe. I think y'all probably have already seen the video for that, where I put this in gravy. That's really good. Or either you could use this for Alfredo. And then speaking of the Alfredo, we got the Ragu roasted garlic Parmesan sauce. That was a mouthful. And then we got the Classico creamy Alfredo. I'm going to do chicken and shrimp Alfredo with that. And then over here for dinner, we're going to have the chicken wings. It says with Asian style 7-spice dry rub. And then I got the Cajun style. The Cajun style is delicious. I'm not sure about the Asian. So for dinner tonight, we're going to do the wings. And then the DiGiorno. This was cool because it says croissant crust. And not inside the box was another like plastic sleeve. They had it protected really well. So excited for that. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like when it comes out the oven. And so when I make the Alfredo, I'm also going to make this cornbread. But with the cornbread, you fry this on the stove. I probably already have made a video for that as well. If I have made the video, I'll go ahead and link that video above. We went ahead and got the big container of the Peter Pan Jiffy because my family runs through this peanut butter. Y'all know the season changed, so I had to try out the pumpkin spice. Comment down below if you've ever had this Green Mountain pumpkin spice. I'm excited for that because I like to switch up my coffees. So this is the one, and believe it or not, Kaden picked this out, my 11-year-old. So I'm hoping that it's really good. All right, y'all, quick intermission for the subscribers shout out. If you want to be shout out in the next video, it's easy. Just join the fam and leave us a comment down below, and we'll be featuring you in the next video. So this comment is from the video Cook With Me. It was our family harvest collab where we made shrimp and chicken Alfredo. And the comment comes from Walker Family TV. Y'all make sure y'all check them out. They are a family vlogging channel. They wrote, "Hey sis, I so enjoy when the boys are cooking and I try to clean as I go. If not, I will do it after I cook. And the food looks delicious. Thanks for sharing." Thank you guys for that sweet comment. I'm trying to make better habits, so I'm trying to cook as I clean as well. All right, y'all, back to the haul. Over here, we got the beef and cheese taquitos. If you put these in the air fryer, ooh, talk about heaven. They're so good in the air fryer. We got some breakfast stuff. So in the morning, Caden has his little Pop-Tarts. So Daniel will have Pop-Tarts too. So really that's Caden's. And then this one is for Daniel. And what is this? It says organic Jurassic Welch's grapefruit sauce. Child, what is grapefruit sauce? I don't even know what this is for real. We just got it because it had, you know, Daniel picked it out. It had dinosaurs on it. Child, who knows? I'm gonna have to tell y'all. I thought it was gonna be clear on the back so I could see. I'm gonna let y'all know when Daniel opens this what it actually is. So hopefully it's tasty, because we normally get these pouches and they'll have applesauce in them, but he liked the dinosaur thing. And then both of my kids like the little cereal bars for breakfast before I get up. This is my new favorite cereal. Comment down below if you've had the Honey O's. Let me know what is your favorite cereal. I like to add bananas, but of course I forgot to grab my bananas, so I'll be going back for the bananas. And then for movie night, Daniel can't have popcorn, so I got him his own bag of Pirates Booty. These are so good, y'all. Let me know if y'all have had these before. They're like really soft. They kind of melt in your mouth, and they don't have a kernel. I think that's what it's called, a kernel in the inside. So they're okay for babies. And when you open it, it's the individual bags. So I already told Caden, do not mess with his brother's don't mess with his brother's popcorn. So Caden picked out his little junk food snack, and he got these frosted sugar cookies, which I feel like will be nasty, but he said he's had them before. So that was, you know, his pick. My pick for junk food was the strawberry crunch, the ice cream cake. I love ice cream cakes, but I've never had strawberry crunch. I'm excited for this. Y'all let me know if y'all have had the strawberry crunch ice cream cake. This thing was kind of pricey. I think it was close to $10. Okay, and then of course we had to get a little thing of milk. And we are building up a Stranger Things collection so that when we do our Stranger Things theme night, we'll have everything we need. So this is the cherry slush drink kit. I'm not sure if by now, when you're seeing this video, if we would have already did our Stranger Things night. If we have, I'll make sure to link it down below. Walmart has a lot of different Stranger Things items. So go over there. It's in the baking section, and just get, you know, have your little cute little Stranger Things night. Okay, now speaking of Vlogtober, so this is for Vlogtober. They are Mummy Cakesicles. So it comes with the cake mix, melting wafers, frosting mix, candy eyes, popsicle sticks, and a reusable silicone mold. So we are super excited to make those. If you don't know, this is basically just like little mini cakes, but it's on a stick. So instead of a popsicle, it's a cakesicle. Those are pretty tasty. And then we just bought a cauldron the other day from I think Michael's. So we got this pretzel dipping kit. It says it comes with pretzel rods, milk chocolate flavored melting wafers, orange melting wafers, and candy decorations. We don't really need decorations because we bought some, but I'm excited. This says you can microwave it in container, so you can microwave the frosting or whatever, or the chocolate, but we got a cauldron just in case. We'll have to let y'all know when we do a snack night towards the end of October, the Halloween snack. So you know we had to get some sprinkles. So this is Tombstone sprinkle mix. This is so cool. See how it has the RIP, the little I call them headstones, but maybe it is called a tombstone. And then the top, this is super cute. And then we got this cake candy decorating kit. So all these are edible. So I think those are ghosts. The boo signs. I love the little spiders. I think those are spiders. And then I think those are bats. Let me see. I have two different nails, like, you know, whatever it's called. I have two different designs on each hand. Don't mind me. So yeah, these are the bats, the pumpkins, spiders. These are supposed to be ghosts, but they do not look like ghosts. They could have did a better job on that. So I like that they had all of this stuff over there in the baking aisle. Excited for that night. So we got a bunch of basically movie night stuff now that I think about it. And then I wanted to spoil myself, so I was like, let me get something for me. So this is exfoliating body polish, crushed almond and mango butter. I gotta open this and show y'all what it looks like because it smells so good. Oh, Kaden wants to smell. Let's see.
Wow, that does smell good.
You said it smells good?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, even my son loves it. Don't let me catch you smelling like what is this? My crushed almond mango butter, Katie. Don't let us catch you smelling like crushed almond mango butter. But so that's what it looks like. Excited. And then this is also new for me. The Nivea In Shower Body Lotion. 24-hour nourishing. So definitely gonna try that. What I read on the back, apparently you put this on and then rinse it off. Like, how is it lotion if you rinse it off? Who knows? But I'm gonna try it. And then I got this new Malibu starter kit. It's by Billy. A razor kit, magnetic holder, 5 razor blade refills, 1 razor handle. Honestly, I got it because it has this little magnetic piece, and it's supposed to keep your razor dry and out of the shower. And then I got some Dr. Teal's pure Epsom salt for my aches and pains. So I kind of went with like a shea butter theme. So I'm gonna do a video on, self-care. So I went ahead and got that. We're going to have a Halloween junk food night video. And I'm going to make a dinner recipe. So this is like 3 or 4 videos all in one. And so this right here, I got a 5-pack of brushes. And then some glow in the dark paint. So this is for another video. And then I always got to get stuff for my little booski. Daniel picked these out because he loves cars. So he has his little car house shoes. Caden said not to get them because he was like, oh, he just gonna take them off and think that they're toys. So we'll see. And then my baby always got to be with the theme. It's Halloween. So I got him some Snoopy Halloween PJs. I'm super excited. All right, y'all, that is it. So if you enjoyed this haul, oh yeah, and we got some grapes. If you enjoyed this haul, go ahead and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Vlogs and more, yeah. Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah. Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah. Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah.
According to CICELY.